Creator and commander finally collide. Control clashes with conscience beneath the raging storm. The bridge shatters, but Kale refuses to fall. The data reveals every life sacrificed for order. Kale offers mercy. Seraphine must choose control or truth. The grid collapses and darkness finally frees the skyline. In the silence, power fades and humanity returns.
Do you believe this? I just made a Netflix-style cinematic video without spending a single dollar. No editor, no paid tools, no filmmaking experience. And the entire process took me about 20 minutes. If you're into powerful AI tools that save you time and help you make money online, go ahead and hit subscribe to JACKY AI Flow right now. And seriously, watch until the end. If you miss one small detail, you could completely break this entire workflow. Today, I'm showing you everything step by step, live on my computer screen. If you've ever tried making AI videos scene by scene, you know how exhausting it is. Generate an image, turn it into a video. Oops, the character's face changed. Now you redo everything. Sound familiar? Today, I'm showing you a completely different method. Batch create videos with consistent characters, fully automated from start to finish. And I'm using a free pipeline that barely anyone is talking about. Alright, I'm inside ChatGPT. Open a new tab and follow along. I paste a prompt asking it to write a cinematic story. Structured, locked characters, consistent visual style. Within seconds, it generates a full movie-style script. But don't stop there. Next, I paste another prompt asking it to break the story into individual scenes. Each one turned into a detailed image prompt. Why? Because Image AI needs specific scene descriptions to maintain consistency. Now copy all those scene prompts. We're about to use them. Now I search Google for Auto Whisk Automator for Whisk AI. Install the extension and pin it to your toolbar. This part is critical if you want your characters' faces to stay consistent. Back in ChatGPT, I ask it to generate a detailed character design prompt for the main character. Copy. Open Whisk AI. Paste arrow generate. Once the image appears, save it and drag it into the subject box. This becomes your visual anchor. Repeat the process for the second character. Next, create a fixed style prompt. Something like cinematic lighting, high contrast, cyberpunk city, film grain texture. Generate that and drag it into the style box. Make sure you check both style and subjects. Now open Auto Whisk. Paste all your scene prompts. Click Start to run on this project. And now, you don't touch anything. Within 10 to 15 minutes, every scene image gets generated automatically and downloaded in order. This is where things get powerful. I open Grok AI and install its automation extension. After logging in with Gmail or your X account, you'll see the control panel on the side. There are multiple modes. I choose Frame to Video. Why not Text to Video? Because starting from text again can change your character's face. Frame to Video animates directly from your image, so faces, outfits, and environments stay consistent. Now I adjust the settings. Prompt delay, 15 seconds. Aspect ratio, 16:9. Duration, 6 seconds per clip. Auto download, on. Back in ChatGPT, I ask it to write motion prompts for each scene. Like, camera slowly pushes in while neon lights flicker in the background. Then I drag all my scene images into Grok, in order. Paste all the animation prompts, also in order. Click Run. Now just sit back. It creates Scene 1 arrow downloads it. Scene 2 arrow downloads it, and keeps going. See the difference? No more creating videos one by one. No more manual editing every clip. It's fully automated. While the videos are rendering, I go back to ChatGPT. I ask it to rewrite the story into a voiceover script with natural timing. Then I open 11 Labs, one of the best AI voice tools out there. Create a free account, 10,000 characters per month. Paste the script into text-to-speech. Choose a voice like Adam, deep and powerful, or true crime. Click Generate and download the audio file. Pick something cinematic. documentary, or thriller tone. Preview it. If it sounds good, download it. Now I open CapCut Desktop. Create a new project. Import all video clips and the voiceover file. First thing I do, drag the voiceover onto the timeline. Then I align each clip with the narration. Since the files are already numbered, it's fast. Add light transitions, dissolve or fade. Optional. Add cinematic background music. Export in 1080p, done.
In 2042, the city watches everyone, including its creator. Cale Riven hacks the cage he once built. Director Seraphine Vale sees the ghost in her machine. Through neon rain, Cale runs from his own design. On a sky bridge, creator and commander finally collide. Control clashes with conscience beneath the raging storm. The bridge shatters, but Cale refuses to fall. The data reveals every life sacrificed for order. Cale offers mercy. Seraphine must choose control or truth. The grid collapses and darkness finally frees the skyline. In the silence, power fades and humanity returns. Cale Riven stands in rain, choosing redemption over control.
And that's how I create cinematic videos in bulk. Completely free. Do you see the difference between manually making each video and automating the entire pipeline? If you learned something today, hit like. So I know you want more workflows like this. Drop a comment and tell me what topic you're planning to create. I read every single one. And if I was able to do this, trust me, you can too, and you'll probably do it even better. Subscribe to JACKY AI Flow. I'll see you in the next one.